This is a recording of the baritone part for the song Seasons of Love. The third and final section starts here on page 8, measure 57. And this is the easiest section of the song, honestly, because at this point, they're taking things you learned in section 1 and in section 2 and throwing them together. And it's super repetitive and easy. So on this section, we're taking 3 different melodies and putting them together. And it sounds really cool when you hear all the parts together at once. So for you, it's very repetitive. You're going to say seasons of love, like, I don't know, something like 8 different times, because from here up to here, that's one phrase. So here's your second, here's your third. Sometimes you'll skip the word seasons, like right here, and they'll just have you rest, and then come in on love. Here's your another section of it. Same thing here. You won't say seasons. You'll rest, and you'll just come in on love. Then you keep going. This is very repetitive, super easy. Same thing over and over again. Then you pick up to the chorus right here at the bottom of page 11. How about? And this is the same harmony part you had in the chorus for section 2. So this is like the Michael Jackson or Maroon 5 part of your voice that you're going to use. It's kind of higher, but you've done this part before, so it's super repetitive, and it even ends real similar to what we did. So on this section here, notice there's 2 notes because you have a choice. So in this video, I'm going to do the baritone part, baritone 1, because this is the same part you would have had at the end of section 2. But I can also do a separate rendition of it where you go lower here if you want to take that lower part. So we're going to go back to the beginning of section 3 and just speak your words in rhythm. I'm going to give you a 4-measure intro starting here before you come in here with just speaking words. Go ahead and do that with me. And again, I'm going to snap on these rests because you've got lots of quarter rests and 8th rests in this section. So here's your 4-measure intro, or 4-beat intro, excuse me. Rest, seasons of love, seasons of love, seasons of love, seasons of love, rest, love, seasons of love, rest, love, seasons of love, seasons of love, seasons of love. How about love? Remember the love. Remember the love. Measured in love. Make sure you hold that out for 8 counts. Okay, we're going to go back to the beginning of section 3 and sing it. And again, you know all these parts. This should be very easy for you because it's a repetition of what you've done earlier in the song. I'm going to start here with a 4-beat intro and then coming in on seasons of love. And you're going to do that like something like 8 times. So it's pretty repetitive. Here we go. Rest, seasons of love, seasons of love, seasons of love, seasons of love, rest, love, seasons of a baritone part at this section, you would do measured in love, whatever part you like better. So at this stage in the game, you're gonna review this video as many times as you need until you've got section 3 learned. Then when you are ready and you feel like you know the entire song, I've provided an audio track that has my voice on it, and you will put that on a device with a set of earbuds, and you will sing with that track in your ear and have a different device record you singing it, the whole song. You might want to print the music if you have a printer at home. Otherwise, I will provide a PDF of just the lyrics if you want to just look at the lyrics, or you can memorize it because it is very repetitive. But that's up to you. And then you'll submit via Dropbox your final video for us to just look at and see what you've learned and what you can sing. So thanks for participating. And that is the very last section of Seasons of Love.